What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually out on my back deck because I have to replace a seal on the door that goes from my deck into the sunroom in the house. I was sitting in the sunroom the other morning just enjoying some coffee, and then I looked over to the side and then noticed that there was ants on the floor. So I walked over to the area that I saw them and I looked at the bottom of the door. I noticed that the bottom door seal had actually gotten pretty old and that I could actually see daylight coming in from both ends. So anyway, it's time to repair that now. I've actually picked up a piece. I got this sent to me from Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description, and that's what today's video is about. I'll be replacing the seal here in the door to hopefully keep the ants out. It looks totally fine from out here, but on each corner you can actually see a little bit of daylight coming through, so it's not completely sealed anymore. So I will be replacing it with this under door seal kit that I picked up, and it looks like this. It's a channel fit. I'll take this thing out and show you what it all looks like when I put it together. This thing actually comes, it is 36 inches long, and I took a measurement of the door here, and the door from side to side is actually 30 inches. And so what I need to do is actually get this thing cut down to size. I looked at trying to actually peel this thing off, but the way that the tile is set up in here, you can see that I don't have a whole lot of room. So in order to pull this thing down, I'm actually going to take the door off its hinges. So I'm going to pop all three of these pins out, and then I'm actually just going to take the door off and put it right out here on the deck, and then I'll do the repair outside. This bottom pin here, I can't actually get this tool underneath and have enough space to actually hit it with a hammer. So I'm actually using this small screwdriver to get underneath here and tap it. I'll just take the other two out and I'll take the door off. So now, because I got a gaping hole in my door, I got this, it's actually masking, plastic masking for painting. I'm going to actually put this and tape it over the door, that way try to keep bugs and junk out of there while I fix this door. Alright, so there you go. I got it completely taped over now. You know, not perfect, probably not completely necessary either, but I'm not sure how long I'm going to be out here, so I just want to make sure that not too many bugs and things are getting in for me to kill later. So let's carry on. So I actually have the door standing up over here. I'm probably just going to lay it down across some of this furniture to be able to touch the bottom of it, and we'll get to work. I got the door set up here now. I'm going to take this old one off. You can see it's actually in pretty bad shape now. I got the new one set up next to it, and I actually have gotten it cut now. It's cut to 30 inches, and it has these channels, which is actually pretty handy because you can just peel the old one out and press the new one in once you get it lined up. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Yeah, there you go. See the little channel that's on this one? This one actually has a little bit of silicone in it, maybe to hold it up a little bit better. I think I might actually go get some, and maybe I'll put some adhesive in this one. I'll put some adhesive on the new channel here to hold it up. So let me go do that. I'm gonna go get some now and I'll come right back. Alright, now I got this old one off. I got the new one on with a little, I put a little bead of some silicone here. That should work fine. And let's put the new one on. Just clean it out a little bit. Actually, one other thing I wanted to point out, I forgot, is that the edge of these things here, this part of the door is solid, and when you cut this piece down, you actually need to then cut off this part of the channel so that way it fits in and doesn't hang up on that door. So make sure you do that too. Alright, now we can put this thing in. Alright, so now you can see it's actually installed there all the way across the bottom. Alright, we're going to take the door in, we're going to refit it, and then if I need to make any adjustments by pushing this seal side to side, I'll do that when I get the door put back on. Let's go inside. There you go, the door is refitted with the new strip seal installed all the way across. So if your door is like mine and you have this adjustable threshold piece with these little screws, you can actually use this little, a little screwdriver like this to twist. And what that does is it actually will raise and lower this threshold piece, so that way you can adjust it to fit the new gasket that you just put in, or this new weather stripping. And so I ended up having to raise mine maybe, I don't know, like a 1/4 of an inch, maybe 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, something like that. But I also had to trim off just a little bit right here in the corner. But now you can see it is nice and solid, and there is no more daylight coming through. Alright, well there you have it, everybody. That's it. Pretty quick and easy deal. I probably didn't even need to put the plastic up because I think this only took me about 10 minutes to do the whole thing start to finish. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.